So we are in the American Girl store. Lots of cool things. I picked up something for Mother's Day. It says just mom and me. So I'm going to get it for some of the folks at work. So I'm super excited about that. And then they have like this doll dining piece. So I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I guess it's like a book of some sort. And you do different things with the dining kit. So that's really cool. Okay, let's see. Doll travel, magical theater play tent, and that was over there. They have like the welly wishers. I've never seen this before, but it says Mega Constructs. And we bought something kind of like this a few years ago, and she loved it. Let's see. We'll check out the before-after books in just a minute, and we'll check these out. Things for the American girls. They have, what? She's pointing to something. What are you pointing to? What? Okay, he's saying go around. Yes.
Can I get a black doll?
You have a black doll.
No, I'm not. Black dolls.
Okay. Okay, so we're walking. I'm missing what? I can't. Right here? Oh, wow. That's huge. That's really huge. And then this is like Luciana's Stellar outfit. Wow. Look at that. Luciana Vega. And they have clothes. And she's looking at some stuff over here. They even have like doll hairstyles. That looks cool. Ear piercing for dolls. The salon for, oh gosh. Really? Wow. So she's styling the doll's hair. And then they have a Hawaiian doll. And that's really cute too. USO Market and Dance. This is really, oh, I love that dress. So pretty. Mary Ellen. I haven't read anything about Mary Ellen yet, but she is styling the doll. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I don't even know if my family is. I'm having a good time. So this is Josefina, and this is Kaya, and she's asleep. This is awesome. These are the Bitty Babies. There's my kid. Okay, she's telling me to check out something. Oh, they have welly wishers. I love welly wishers. I wish they had their, oh goodness, what is this? They have like a welly wisher's house. That's so cute. Look at this. Oh, have you done these yet? It says, thank you for helping out your welly wisher too. So you have to find all of those in the house. Can you do it? I'm looking for the welly wisher's books. Because I don't see like... Oh gosh. So I don't know how much those are. They have Kendall and Emerson. This
says $5.99.
Oh, that's it? Okay. Cool. And those are super cute too. Did you find all of them? We're trying to find everything. I love how interactive the store is. We have 2 things so far. So we love books. So we're going to check those out. These are some Welly Wishers stuff as well. And then I guess these are like cards that you can pick up to say which doll you would like. So this is really cool. And it says these 5 friends. So you have Kendall, Camille, Willa, Ashlyn, and Emerson. And this is super cool too. So they have the different things for the Welly Wishers, and then the before after. I don't know much about them. Well, yeah, I do. Like Melody and Rebecca and Kittredge, and I don't know much about Nania. I don't know much about Mary Ellen. All the dolls I used to look at are actually retired now. So this is super cute. Super, super. You can't open them. Yeah, they're in there. That is so cute. That's one thing I love about American Girl. They actually have little replicas of everything. So, you know, all these are going to be in here too. So everything's so precise.
Mommy, did you see this?
The what? Well, we're gonna go upstairs. You ready? We're gonna pay for this and go upstairs. All of them?
Just one.
Which one don't you like? You don't like that one? Why? She's talking about equal rights, which is very important.
Not this one. This one.
Why does that one look like you?
Because it looks like.
Because what? And you get to select the doll that you want to dine with that day. So you also have the chairs that go with the doll, and then they also have the menu here with the tie around the napkin, so it looks really cute. And then this is they have a milkshake, Blue Moon milkshake, Shooting Star smoothie, Galactic grape soda, and Constellation cakes. So that looks really cool. Then they also have the menu, which is here, and lots of really cool stuff. Look at that. So this is so cute. So cute. Oh, we will definitely have to come back. And then they have birthday celebrations.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tony Edwards.
And I'm Dr. Jennifer Edwards, and
This is how we make our
weekend count.